Alright, today we're gonna watch Biden rev up a gas-powered Corvette. Here we go.
Shut the door, and you just push the button and it's right there.
Oh, look at that face. You know what that face says to me? I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. You know, I like it. I think he likes it. How about some more? Oh, yes. Hell yeah. That's an authentic, genuine smile. It's like, dude, why are you trying to get rid of our gas-powered vehicles when obviously we have good times with it? Oh, you're trying to save the ozone? Yeah, plant some more trees, right? Come up with something else.
I'll tell you what.
Let him drive it off. Watch out.
I'll tell you my head of my Secret Service detail. I'm driving home.
He said.
Oh, come on, dude. You're driving home now? What about the emissions that you're going to emit into the ozone? Greenhouse gases, right? Greenhouse gases. Right. Or are you just going to realize that maybe the Earth goes in cycles of heating and cooling? You ever think about that? Right.
As he's driving home.
Yeah.
This is something else. This is something else.
He's literally just Tobey Maguire at this point. This is something else. From Spider-Man, right? I don't know if you get the reference, but you get it.
President, I want to introduce you to Mark Royce. Is it incredible?
My friend, jump ahead, please.
I have time to sit. So if you look at this vehicle, though, look at the screen, all the electronics, all the connectivity.
Oh, Mr. President, why don't you look at these gas-powered vehicles? Very nice. Very nice. It's possible this is an electric. I can't tell. I don't know jack about really cars, honestly.
Stay back.
And again, this goes on sale in the first quarter of next year.
Just like Biden, like, reevaluating if he made the right decision running for president. It's like, oh, man, I could have actually had a good time for the rest of my life. But now I have to, like, get explained about how awesome this gas-powered vehicle is. And then have to pretend that I don't like it. Oh, man, this is so hard. Alright, thanks for watching.